Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw something super fun and magical, a cute unicorn with a rainbow. So, grab your colors and let's get started.
Whoa!
First, I draw a simple face and the mane. It's starting to look cute already. Next, I draw the unicorn's ear, just like this. Then I draw the horn, nice and twisty.
So cute!
Now let's add a happy smile and eye.
Yes!
After that, I draw the legs, the tail, and of course, the hooves.
Yahoo!
And finally, I draw the little fluffy cloud beside the rainbow.
Yeah!
Now it's time to color. First, I use pink for the face and body.
Wow!
Woo!
Woohoo! I use yellow for the hooves. Then I use yellow again for parts of the mane, tail, and horn.
Yes!
For the ear, I use red and pink.
Yeah!
I also add blue and green in the mane and tail for some extra fun.
Yeah!
Yahoo!
Woohoo! The top of the horn gets a splash of red. And for the rainbow, I use orange, red, deep green, and more red for the cloud details. And finally, I go over everything with a black marker to make it pop and look super neat. Yay! Our magical unicorn with a rainbow is all done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time, bye!